What if I told you that in some cultures, women bathing naked in public isn't taboo? It's tradition. From the steamy hammams of Morocco to the serene onsens of Japan, and even the icy waters of Sweden, communal bathing is more than just cleansing. It's a ritual, a social gathering, and a statement of empowerment. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of public bathing and uncovering why these women choose to bear it all. The historical roots of public bathing. Public bathing has ancient origins. In the Roman Empire, bathhouses were central to daily life, serving as places for relaxation, socialization, and even political discussions. Women participated in these communal baths, embracing the practice as a norm of society. Middle Eastern hammams, sanctuaries for women. In the Middle East, hammams have long been integral to community life. These bathhouses are more than just places to wash. They're spaces where women gather, free from societal constraints. In Morocco, for instance, women's hammams serve as social hubs where women from various backgrounds come together to relax, share stories, and support each other. Japanese onsens, embracing natural beauty. Japan's onsen culture emphasizes purity and relaxation. Bathing nude in these hot springs is customary, fostering a sense of equality and acceptance. The practice encourages individuals to embrace their natural selves, shedding societal pressures and connecting with others on a human level. Sweden's cold bathing tradition. In Sweden, cold bathing is a cherished tradition. Women immerse themselves in icy waters, often after a sauna session, to rejuvenate both body and mind. This practice isn't just about health benefits, it's a communal activity that strengthens social bonds and celebrates resilience. Cameroon's Takembeng protests, nudity as protest. In Cameroon, the Takembeng movement showcases a powerful use of nudity. Elderly women protest political injustices by marching naked, leveraging cultural beliefs that view such displays as potent symbols of resistance. Their actions command respect and highlight the strength of collective female solidarity. Cultural significance and empowerment. These practices aren't merely about bathing, they're deeply rooted in cultural identity and empowerment. In many societies, communal bathing allows women to reclaim their bodies, foster community ties, and challenge societal norms. Health and well-being benefits. Beyond cultural aspects, communal bathing offers numerous health benefits. Regular participation can improve circulation, reduce stress, and promote mental well-being. The act of sharing these experiences with others further enhances emotional connections and support systems. Modern interpretations and global influence. In many parts of the world, nudity is often associated with shame or privacy. But here, in rural Japan, parts of India, and some traditional African communities, public bathing, often done nude, is not about exhibitionism. For centuries, these bathing rituals have taken place in rivers, hot springs, and communal baths. In Japan, onsen culture encourages naked bathing as a form of equality. Without clothing, there are no social classes, only people. It's about reconnecting with nature and self. In India, at the Kumbh Mela, millions gather to bathe in the sacred Ganges River. For some women, especially sadhus, or female ascetics, bathing nude is a symbolic act of renunciation, leaving behind material life in pursuit of spiritual purity. The nudity here is not for display, it's a form of devotion, an expression of freedom, and in some cases, a political act against patriarchy. For these women, their bodies are not taboo. They are a vessel of spiritual power. What may seem provocative to one culture is seen as sacred or natural in another. In Japan's countryside, older generations still gather at communal onsens, hot spring baths passed down through centuries. Here, women of all ages talk, laugh, and share stories. The bath becomes a place of bonding, a safe space where age, appearance, or status disappears. Today, the essence of these traditions influences modern wellness trends. Spas and wellness centers worldwide incorporate elements of communal bathing, recognizing the holistic benefits these practices offer. If you found this exploration into global bathing traditions enlightening, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more cultural deep dives. and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know which tradition intrigued you the most, or share your own experiences with communal bathing.